Hey, it's Dylan with Duramax Tuner. We're excited to show you the newest addition to the Stealth Series turbo line, the VVT STR. If your stock turbocharger failed and you're looking for a replacement, or just a little bit more, this is the perfect turbo for you. From the past 20 years these turbos have been on the road, to the extensive research we've done on the VVT line, the success we've had with our Mach 1 and Mach 2, there was something missing for you guys that want to stay as close to stock as possible. So when you choose an STR, you'll find upgrades over stock, such as our custom 7x7 blade extended tip billet compressor wheel, a 10 blade custom high flow turbine wheel with thicker turbine blades to increase the heat tolerance in any of those higher EGT scenarios that we put our truck in. Couple that together and you got a lightweight rotating assembly. So what do these upgrades mean for your truck? Better EGT control, better boosted drive ratio than stock, and quick spool and throttle response. For you guys that tow heavy, this turbo is designed to prevent surge. We all love the sound of a turbo diesel. And with this turbo, you're going to get that distinct stealth turbo whistle. And getting into performance, this turbo has enough airflow to support up to 650 horsepower. That's with the stock emissions and supporting mods. And this turbo provides 67 pounds per minute of mass airflow compared to 59 pounds per minute in a stock application. And last but not least, you're going to retain that factory exhaust brake. The VVT STR is for you if you're looking for a better performing and more durable than stock turbocharger. If you use your 6.6 liter to daily drive, tow, or drive across the country and you want just a little bit more power, we got the turbo for you. If you'd like to learn more about our Stealth VVT STR, give us a call at 815-568-7920. I'm Dylan Stewart. We'll catch you on the next one.